Keep your mind on the prize, cause sometimes you can't see it, so I suggest you try another action so the bad can't happen. Surprise you, pop up and change your whole attitude. Go hard against anything with negative attributes. Don't conclude anything, cause nothing ever stops. Enjoy the rain that comes with the pain. Pops used to say if it ceased to exist, then there would be no such things as good dreams. Everyone would just have nightmares and never seem to play. MLK would have never did his thing. Kennedy wouldn't have been blown away. Yes, but think of the things he said that influenced us today. To now use the power to build instead of tearing shit down. We do what we should now. Know the difference between good and bad. Smiles all around, no more time for them frowns. No such things as ugly. No need for breaking legs if we're all lucky. Everything is beautiful, from the most misunderstood flowers to the dirt that's in your cuticles. We can really do it though. We don't need no government. We just need some room to go. Spread your wings and let them fly. Don't let them tell you where you should go, because you will never tell you any kind of lie.